weekend, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. In this video, we are looking at 5 more selections for potential 100 times moonshots in the altcoin space. These are very low-profile projects that we feel have a lot of potential, but that people aren't really talking about just yet. And of course, these are the kinds of projects that you want to get your hands on in the altcoin space. None of this is financial advice, of course. We are not providing you with financial advice. We are not providing you with investment advice for that matter, but we are sharing our enthusiasm with you for some projects that we feel have potentially some tremendous upside. If you've not yet checked out the first installment, our first 5 projects that we looked out in part 1 of our 100 times moonshots video, check that out. We'll link that in the description below. I'll also have a card that's popping up right about now. You can check it out if you haven't seen it just yet. But without any further ado, let's launch into the next 5 projects we have our eyes on in part 2. Project number 6 that we are looking at is Yield. Yield Protocol is an open source platform designed to help DeFi users maximize DeFi, or decentralized finance yields. It allows anybody to create and execute yield farming and trading strategies on the Ethereum DeFi ecosystem. So the protocol basically provides foundational smart contracts that are unique for each user, and these contracts analyze the market data and strategically deploy funds both securely and rapidly. In terms of recent achievements, on the 23rd of February this year, Yield Protocol SHO was opened on MakerDAO, and almost 538,000 DAO were locked by investors who, of course, were eager to participate in yield sale on Gate.io. This actually exceeded the initial locking goal by, get this, 13,258%. Looking ahead at their upcoming roadmap, right now the first product being built on Yield Protocol is called Yield Shield. It's a one-click secure algo farming platform, which will automatically farm the highest yield available from the newest DeFi protocols out there and optimize the yields that are received using the latest farming techniques. Sounds pretty appealing. And a few days ago, on the 5th of March, Yield was listed on Gate.io and Uniswap. And Yield's MVP is now live. It is functional, it is working. It's a live product. Yield Shield, automated yield farming aggregator focused on personalized risk classification and predetermined stop losses functions. Again, Yield Shield is the first product on Yield Protocol, and liquidity pool staking is coming up very quickly on the 15th of March. So you still have a couple of days from the time of this video's recording. The next project that we're looking at is Deeper Network, ticker DPR, whose vision is to create a more secure, private, and fair internet for everyone, for all users. Now that's a pretty broad ambition, and to achieve this, the project combines the power of blockchain, network security, and sharing economy. Purportedly, it's creating the decentralized internet infrastructure for Web 3.0. which of course wouldn't be possible without backers. 8,000 plus nodes around the world are proof of this when it comes to Deeper Network. So Deeper provides 3 solutions, and here they are. DPN, which stands for Decentralized Private Network. Decentralized Private Network is a P2P decentralized bandwidth sharing network for bypassing censorships and ensuring privacy. Solution number 2 is Decentralized Web. Deeper Network provides the foundational infrastructure services for Web 3.0 with Deeper's Decentralized DNS, or DDNS, and Deeper's Decentralized CDN, or DCDN. And finally, solution number 3 for Deeper Network is its Decentralized Gateway and DApp, or Decentralized Application Store. Let's talk a little bit about the DPR token. So Deeper Network uses proof of credit, or POC, as a consensus mechanism. And the network users will get incentives in DPR tokens in exchange for bandwidth sharing, provided they stay active for a given amount of time. Some of the achievements so far. So Deeper Network is a proud member of the Polkadot DeFi, Decentralized Finance Alliance. Deeper partnered with Bridge Mutual. It's also going to integrate with Bridge Mutual's insurance product users, where Deeper Connect users can directly benefit from Bridge Mutual's discretionary insurance. And some of its partners are pretty big as well. You likely recognize the names Amazon, Best Buy, Paid Network, and more as well. When it comes to future achievements, there's quite a lot to look forward to that's upcoming here on the roadmap. So staking function development right now is in progress. DPR is an upcoming IDO on Duckstarter. But as far as token and product launch details, IDO and IEO launches on Flybit Official. That's happening on Monday, the 22nd of March. On Paid Network, that's happening the 23rd of March. On Pools, that's going to be the 25th of March. And on DAO Duck, that'll happen Friday, the 26th of March. Again, that's the IDO and IEO launch dates. For more information, we recommend that you follow Deeper Network on Twitter. Deeper Connect decentralized public chain also goes live, and the minting process is going to be starting soon. The next project on our list here that we are covering is Splyt. That's Splyt with an I. The ticker is SHOPX, SHOPX. Okay, so here's the idea. Splyt is a Polkadot-powered NFT infrastructure that aims to simplify the existing e-commerce supply chain. So basically, the platform will assign a unique ENFT to every inventory item, just like the e-commerce industry uses a unique SKU number currently. So yes, every inventory item will be tokenized as an EFT. Brands then set a bounty for each ENFT, creating an opportunity for affiliate marketing. And when a purchase is made, the brand delivers the product and the buyer receives an ENFT as proof of purchase. And interestingly, it can also be used like a plug-and-play module in existing e-commerce portals. Okay, so far, Splyt's testnet is live. Maison Du, a wholesale e-commerce luxury market, uses Splyt's e-commerce protocol currently, so that's already happening. The Arbiters Pool, where ShopX holders can stake their tokens, is now live, and Splyt has also partnered with Master Ventures. It is the group behind, of course, as you likely know, the successful launch of Paid earlier this year. It's now incubating Splyt as well. And Splyt is going to be launching on Ignition. Let's talk about the token and product launch details. So Paid IDO is happening, as we've talked about before, in early April. The testnet is now live. In the middle of 2021, so possibly late Q2, early Q3, you're going to have the first use case, Splyt and Maison Du. As I mentioned, Maison Du is a major partner right now. They aggregate inventory from all participating brands onto the blockchain to create the next-gen digital marketplace for the luxury e-commerce market. Launching mid-2021 with over 2,000 strong brand communities and e-commerce stores. The penultimate project that we're looking at today in part 2 of our 100 times moonshot video is Trodl. A little bit about the project here. Trodl is a reputation-based crypto social media platform. The idea is that it empowers its users with accurate and verifiable crypto information in a democratized way. So Trodl, therefore, is a platform for publishers, users, and traders because it connects the users with seasoned crypto traders. And so as a result, users can consume accurate and verifiable crypto content backed specifically by reputation. Additionally, users can discover trading signals by experienced crypto traders. And so this reputation mechanism is very innovative in that it's bringing together for the first time different parties in, if you think about it, a rather organic ecosystem. As of this recording, the platform has already closed its beta testing and it's ready to launch. It's garnered 250,000 users on a waitlist and 200,000 more users that are ready to migrate. Let's talk about future releases for a second now. So at launch, the team will deliver a crypto information platform, DM monetization, content tipping, technical analysis, and whale alerts, all of which are very useful. And for the rest of the year, the team plans to deliver a prediction marketplace, content monetization, premium subscription, crypto games, NFT non-fungible token marketplace, Launchpad, and DAO, DAO. As of right now, there's no information about the token launch, but we expect that to change pretty soon. And the final entry in today's video is NIT Finance. So we are looking at NIT Finance, ticker KFT. They're a community-led initiative that promises to unlock the full potential of DeFi, decentralized finance, and they aim to achieve this by using cross-chain synthetics and bridges. As a decentralized protocol, NIT Finance combines synthetics across real-world markets, multiple chains, and bridges with yield, lend, trade, and margin services, and it achieves this by using smart contracts. NIT.finance allows you to convert a coin to an equivalent ERC20 synthetic asset, and similarly, any ERC20 token can be synthesized on another blockchain. Real-world entities such as gold, stocks, and even some fiat can be pegged to these assets as well. So KFT offers a platform whereby using synthetics, the non-ERC20 tokens can be traded, borrowed, and even margin traded. Additionally, it revolutionizes the DeFi space by allowing for a global pool of assets to be transferred into DeFi. NIT Finance POC are on Ethereum, Polkadot, and Polygon chains. Synthetics issued by NIT Finance will be incentivized using KFT, and there will be no limit for earning KFT. So recently, the project team partnered with Trodl Finance, a balancer-like insurance market built on Polkadot. They also partnered with Paralink Network, as well as with Oro Pocket, the project that brings real-world assets to the blockchain. And in the future, they're going to be supporting yield farming, and NIT Finance platform will be launching soon. Right now, there is no date that's locked into the token and product launch. We don't yet have those details, but again, we do expect them to be released imminently. So there you have it, guys. Part 2 of our 100 times altcoin moonshots. These are all projects to varying degrees that are a little bit under the radar. They're not being talked about all that much just yet, but that's the ideal target. If you believe in any one of these, you want to get in early before the hype builds. That's really the key to successful investment, whether you're talking about altcoins, crypto, or any project for that matter. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. We're simply sharing our enthusiasm for what we think are some potentially great projects. Do be warned though that with smaller cap projects and projects that are just beginning, you have that dynamic, right? It's higher risk, higher reward. But I'll reiterate once again, we're not giving out financial advice anyway, just kind of providing that for some context, some advisory context, if you will. Let us know which of these projects you like. Let us know which projects you'd like to see on our next list of 100 times altcoin moonshots. Guys, if you do choose to invest, best of luck. Stay safe in the meantime. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.